Hi, I'm going to show you how you can play a game like Among Us with whiteboard.chat. So there's this map that I have uploaded, which has it's created by a teacher, which has multiple pages, and then there are links to the pages you can see, and then area for the kids to do their work. The second thing is that there is a PDF where you can list the tasks and the avatar of the person. So on the left hand side there's a avatar, and then the task that you want the kids to do on the right. Like measure angles. Now you upload this using this special thing called upload gameplay, and whiteboard.chat separates out the avatar from the tasks, and you can see that only the person imposter can see their tasks, right, and their avatar. Everybody else can see their avatar whichever room they are in, but they won't be able to see their tasks. Only the tasks that they are assigned to they can see. So I'm making a group. I'm making the kids join the group. Now you can see both the kids are on the same room, so they can see each other's avatars. I'm going to add a third student as well. So now all of them are on the same room, right? And then the first kid goes to the weapons room to start doing their work. You can see their work is to solve that equation. They can start doing that, right? And then the second kid is going to do their works, and you can watch all of them on the grid view as a teacher. You can see as they go through their work, they're all progressing towards their tasks. And then the imposter has the ability to visit these rooms, and if they are, so this is the imposter on the left hand side, if they visit it, you can see they can bump the student. So then once they bump the student is out, and then everybody else gets to vote to figure out who is the potential imposter in this case, right? So voting is automatically triggered. Everybody goes to the cafe, and people can vote the person out.